Let me show you how you can break a long text to a brand new line in Numbers for your Mac. So the good news is the warping is turned on by default. So even the text is too long, it's warping down and breaking randomly. We can switch this off here. And as you can see, actually this is just long text, one line. If the cell is wide enough, it will move into one long line. So even with warping on. So how can I manually break this text down? If you go in the middle and just press enter, you will simply move to the next cell. So the trick is to hold Option and then press enter. So two buttons together, two keys in the same time. And this way you can manually move this to the next line. Not just enter, Option, enter, Option, return. And this way you can make this stiff break here. Force the text into next line. Keep in mind, it's still warping, so you may consider switching warp off. This way this cell will always look the same. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.